Hi everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda and today, would you believe I found some yarn from Hobbii that I forgot all about. I was hiding Rick's Father's Day present and I found this bag of yarn. Would you believe it? I don't know when I bought it, don't know what's in it, so shall we open it and see what we've got? Get some skizzers. I don't even know when I got it, guys, honest to goodness. What I usually do when I get orders through, what do? I just leave them and let it's over from when COVID was at its highest, so any orders that I got, I used to leave it to one side for a day and then open it, and obviously I forgot all about it, guys. So I got some ribbon yarn, guys. I bought these to make some baskets, so I've got pink, white, some cream. I think I've got two creams. Or beige, whatever you want to call it, and a grey, and they are 100% cotton, 250 grams, 8.8 ounces, 125 meters, 136 yards, 8mm knitting needle, US 11, 5.6mm US HJ hook. It's a 5. So I think what I've done is I bought these two, and then I've already got these colours, so I bought another one, so I've got two of each. So I bought them, and I think, oh here, so I've got white, light grey, dark rosette and light sand, and the scissors, I used my points, and then I got stitch markers as well with the needle sizes. So I've got a 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, and I got a sweet and some gummy bears. So what a surprise, eh, guys? Now I've got to find a place to put them on my shelf. So my cotton shelf is coming on really nice. I'm really pleased with that. So I've got more cotton, guys, to play with. I'm not decided. I know I want to do some baskets with these, so we'll have to see. I've never worked with the ribbon yarn before, so it'll be interesting to see how it works up. And really like these scissors. They're a butterfly. Can you see? They're a butterfly. So that's very unlike me, guys. Very unlike me. But I've got some happy yarn haul. I don't know. So that's it from me for today. Whatever you've got planned, I hope you will have a fabulous week. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you, and until next time, bye for now.